We're still on the topic of the arrangement of the Thai consonants. So let me now talk about some terminology used when we talk about the Thai consonants, their arrangement in a table, right? So remember in Sanskrit, each row of the main consonants is called a varga, which means set, right? S-E-T, a set. So the 5 main group vargas are called ka varga, cha varga, ta varga, ta varga, and pa varga. Okay, in Thai, the naming is kind of like the same. Okay, but take note that remember in Thai we don't have retroflex consonants or dental consonants, right? We have alveolar consonants. So how can we differentiate them? Because we cannot say wak ta to differentiate because we don't have the ta sound, the retroflex sound. So in Thai, varga is pronounced as wak instead. So the ka varga is pronounced as wakka. Okay, the cha varga in Thai is pronounced as wakcha. So this is how you spell it in Thai script actually. This is wak, this is ka, this is wak, this is cha. And this is wak, this is pa, right? Wak pa, the last varga. So we don't have the ta, the retroflex, then the retroflex T sound, right? We don't have the dental, we have the alveolar instead. So we cannot say like wakta, wakta. We cannot just say wakta because how do we differentiate the two vargas, right? So the way to do it is to call the first one, the retroflex ones, wakta yai, and the second one, I mean, wakta leg. Yai in Thai means big. Okay, yai ma, very big. Leg means small. So what this means is, this ta varga in Sanskrit, right? In Thai is known as the big ta varga, and this varga in Thai is called the small ta varga. So see, this is the same, right? The only way to differentiate is to call it big or small. The reason why we call it big or small is probably based on the size of the consonant. So if we look at the consonants, right? This is originally this is the retroflex in Sanskrit. This varga is the retroflex, right? This is the guttural or the velar, the palatal, then the retroflex, the dental, and the labial, right? If you compare the consonants, right, which have the exact same sounds, corresponding sounds in Thai, these consonants above, they seem to be bigger, right? This looks more complex than this. This looks more complex than this. This looks more complex than this, and etc., etc., etc. So that's why these are called the big ta consonants. This is the small ta consonants. Okay. We can say this wakta yai when we speak or when we transcribe, correct? Because there's no way to tell if you say wakta, if you are referring to this this to consonant or these to consonants, because both of them have the same pronunciation, right? But when we write, right, we can just write. When we write, we can just write. We can just write this down and write this down because this tells us that this is to patak. This tells us, I mean, to patak. This tells us this is to tao. Okay, when we write. The reason why there are two different rows with the same pronunciation, I've already explained it. This row was originally retroflex consonants, and this one was originally the dental consonants. It's just that in Thai, right, these two places of articulation, they kind of like merge into one, the alveolar. So all these consonants here are pronounced at the alveolar ridge, okay? No longer at the retroflex position or the hard palate, right? No longer behind our upper teeth, like on our teeth, okay? Next, the naming of the consonants. This one is important. So you know that Thai has many consonants with the same sound, right? So how do we refer to them if they have the same sound? We cannot just say like to, because in Thai, if you see over here, right, we have one to over here, one tall over here, one tall over here, one tall over here. They have all the same sound. So when I say tall, which tall am I talking about, right? The way to identify which character we are talking about is to name it this way. So we use the consonantal sound, right, with a dummy vowel. Or so you should know by now that when we pronounce the consonants in Thai, right, we always use the vowel or with it. In English, we for like B, C, D, E, G, right? These letters in English, we use the dummy vowel E, correct? B, C, D. But for the letters A, H, and J, correct? We're using the dummy vowels A. So B, C, D, we use the dummy vowel E. A, H, J, we use this A sound when we call the letters in English. In Thai, it's the same. We use the dummy vowel or with the consonantal sound, followed by an example word that contains the vowel. The consonant used. Okay, so this is the formula: consonantal sound followed by dummy vowel followed by example word. Then we have the full name. So for example, this character in Thai is called Ko Kai. This is the Ko sound, right? So this is the sound, the consonantal sound of this character. We add it to this dummy vowel Ko to have Ko, and then we have a word that contains this character Kai. Okay, this word is Kai, and it uses this consonant, right? The same consonant. So this character is called Ko Kai. This character is Do Dek. Correct? It's the same. The Do sound, right? The coupled with the dummy vowel or Do, and then a word containing the Do Dek, this character. So we have this word in Thai, Dek, means child, like Dek. It has the same character used over here, right? So this character is called Do Dek. Okay, you cannot just say Do, because if you say Do, right, are you referring to this Do or are you referring to this Do? All right, this character has the same sound as this character, exactly the same sound, exactly the same class also. But this word, I mean, this consonant is used to spell different words. So for example, a word that contains this character, right, is Chada. This is Chada. So this thing is called Do Chada. Okay, same logic for the other consonants. So we have the To. These two have the To sound, the same sound, like To To. So this is called To Tao. This is called To Pata, right? The word Tao uses this character. The word Pata uses this character. Okay. Next we have the, wow, look at this. To, 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 to. Which to are you talking about, right? So this character here is called To Tahan. The word Tahan in Thai uses this character. This is called To Tahan. This is To Tong. The word Tong uses this consonant. To Tong. Same logic for the rest. This word Monto, right, uses this character. So this is called To Monto. This is Pu Tao. This Tao, the To sound here, Tao. This word uses this character. So this is called To Pu Tao. This is To Tung. Because the word Tung uses this character, so we call this To Tung. We cannot just say To, because this is also pronounced as To, right? We need to say the example word also. So this is To Tung. This is To Tan. And then Po Pung, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So this is just a list of consonants. Now you just imagine that there are a total of 44 rows to account for all the 44 consonants. This is how you will name all the 44 consonants. Okay. In the table here, I've actually given you the names. Right? These are all the names of the consonants. Okay, but I haven't spelled out the words like I did over here. Okay, so this is the end of the part 1 of Thai orthography. In the next lecture, I will teach you the Thai consonants, right? I'll introduce them to you in in 6 sets of 7 sounds, or 4 sets of 7 sounds for the commonly used consonants, and then the other rarer consonants. Okay, and I also talk about the vowels too. So by the next lesson, you should be able to write Thai characters as well as read the characters. Okay, and hopefully you can write your name too. All right, thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ